At first, it wasn't the buzzing that scared people. It was the silence, followed by a shadow sliding across the ground where no pilot stood. In the early 2000s, long before drones were toys or tools you could buy at a mall, a few strange machines began appearing over empty fields, construction sites, and coastlines. They didn't carry people. They didn't wave flags. They just hovered, watching. To most, they looked like military ghosts that had wandered into civilian life by mistake. But to a handful of photographers, surveyors, and engineers, these machines felt like forbidden magic. Picture a lone photographer standing at the edge of a quarry at dawn. The air smells of dust and cold metal. In the past, capturing this view would have required a helicopter, thousands of dollars, deafening noise, and serious risk. Instead, he opens a battered case, powers up a crude unmanned aircraft, and releases it into the sky. The rotors scream, the machine wobbles, and then it steadies. For the first time, a human eye is floating where no human can stand. This was the quiet birth of commercial drone use, not announced, not celebrated. At first, these unmanned aerial vehicles were awkward and unreliable. Batteries died mid-flight, signals dropped, cameras shook, and regulators had no idea what to do with them. Were they aircraft? Toys? Trespassers? Then came the shift. Surveyors realized drones could map land faster than crews on foot. Farmers saw patterns in crops invisible from the ground. Real estate photographers captured sweeping views that made empty land feel alive. Each flight rewrote what possible meant, and with every success, the machines stayed in the air a little longer. Midway through this revolution came the moment of realization. This wasn't about cameras. It was about perspective. Drones collapsed distance, they removed cost, they democratized the sky. What once belonged only to governments and corporations now belonged to anyone brave enough to press launch. But there was fear too. People looked up and wondered, who's watching? Where are the limits? The same tool that revealed beauty could also invade privacy. The same freedom that inspired creativity demanded responsibility. And that tension between wonder and unease pushed drones into the spotlight. By the time regulations arrived, the world had already changed. A new layer of vision had been added to human experience. We could now see ourselves from above, not as individuals, but as patterns, systems, and stories unfolding across the land. Today, drones are everywhere. But it all began with those early, fragile flights, when unmanned machines quietly crossed from war zones into everyday life and taught humanity how to see from the sky. If this story gave you a new perspective, take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. And tell us in the comments, what do you think we gained? And what did we give up when we learned to fly without leaving the ground?